Good evening. This is Anushka Basu, and you are watching In Shots at 7 pm on Democratic 365. Today's news headlines are: jailed RJD chief Lalu Prasad will be shifted to AIIMS Delhi from Ranchi Hospital as his health has deteriorated, news agency PTI reported, quoting officials. The stalemate between the centre and the farm unions opposed to the new agri laws deepened on Friday after the government said the offer to suspend the legislations for up to 1.5 years was the best deal possible, and its rejection indicated that certain forces did not want a solution. The Congress Working Committee overpowered resistance from a group of seniors to set June end as a deadline for electing a full-time party president who will take over the reins from interim chief Sonia Gandhi. The 6 days that it took India to administer more than 1 million doses of vaccines against COVID-19 makes it the fastest rollout of 1 million vaccine shots against the pandemic among countries that have placed their inoculation data in the public domain. Bengal Minister Rajiv Banerjee on Friday became the third member of the Mamata Banerjee cabinet after Suvendu Adhikari and Lakshmi Ratan Shukla to quit the Trinamool government in the run-up to the assembly elections. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said on Friday that the 2 COVID-19 vaccines given approval for restricted use would not be available in the open market till the country's apex drug dealer, Drug Controller General of India, approved the data sought from their manufacturers. Former Presidents Barack Obama, George W. Bush, and Bill Clinton recorded a 3-minute video from Arlington National Cemetery after President Joe Biden's inauguration this week, praising peaceful presidential succession as a core of American democracy. The segment included no mention of Trump by name. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Somnath Bharti was on Saturday granted bail hours after being convicted in a 2016 assault case. Earlier in the day, a local court had convicted Bharti for allegedly assaulting and using criminal force against the security staffers and demolishing a wall at AIIMS. Tune in for more such headlines every evening at 7 pm here on Democratic 365.